So in the left corner, we have the new contender, the On 4K Pro box. And in the right corner, we have the undisputed heavyweight champion of the streaming world. So I'm going to be streaming a very large, high bitrate movie on both these devices, maybe 20 gig, 30 gig, 40 gig in size, to really push them and see how do they perform if you are going to be streaming high quality, high bitrate content like that. Now, before I do that, let me just do a super quick speed test because both these devices are currently plugged into a gigabit switch on the On 4K Pro because unfortunately the built-in port is only 100 meg. I'm using a USB 3 gigabit adapter, and on the Nvidia Shield Pro, as you know, the device does have an onboard gigabit adapter built in. So we can see on the left side, the On 4K Pro gets a pretty poor score of 400 meg using that USB 3 gigabit adapter. And if I now try the same test on the Nvidia Shield Pro, let's kick that off right about now. And we can see using that true gigabit onboard port on the Nvidia Shield yields speeds like that. So definitely just way faster than the On 4K Pro because it is using that USB 3 gigabit adapter. Okay, so we get 900 meg downstream. So definitely we can see we do get much better speeds on the Shield, but even 400 meg is more than enough for streaming very large, high quality bitrate files. Okay, so let's now actually try and stream something. So let me open up a popular third-party streaming application. And of course, I'm going to be using RD because, you know, trying to find links like that on the free servers is just impossible if you want the highest quality, highest bitrate, with the best audio quality, Dolby Digital, Dolby Atmos, all of the best, highest quality. You have to really use RD in these streaming applications. And I will leave a link in the video description and pinned comment if you want to find out more about RD. Let me open up the application now. Let's click on the same movie. Let's see firstly what kind of links we can get. Let's try and find some big, juicy ones. Okay, so on the right, I'm seeing a 69 gig link. Okay, 70 gig. I mean, that's pretty beefy, so maybe we'll just go for that one then. So let me just wait for the links to load on the On 4K Pro. But I think we will use the top one here, which as you can see is 70 gigs in size. So that's a 4K stream, true HD, 5.1 channel. Okay, so let's wait for those links to stop loading because I want to make sure that the tests are completely fair. I mean, so far we can see it's found 244 links. I mean, really, as I would say in the year 2024, if you want the best possible streaming experience, you definitely want to take a look at RD because really, once you use it, you never will stream without it. Okay, that's now finished. So we can see it found 244 links, the biggest link being 70.69 gigabytes in size. And I'll now click on both these at the same time. So in fact, just in case there's any questions about my authenticity, we can see I'm going to click both of them at the same time. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so again, 3, 2, 1, go. Which of these devices can actually... Okay, so the Nvidia Shield has already come up with an error, whilst the On 4K Pro has actually started playing that stream. Now, I'm not sure if this is just a bad stream for Nvidia, but that's definitely not working. The On Pro seems to be playing that okay. Let's just forward that a bit on the On Pro side. Let's forward that up a few minutes. Okay, that forwards okay, and that seems to catch up. Okay, so let's press back on both. So back, click on yes. Okay, so maybe there's an issue with that stream. So let's just go down. Let's now find something maybe a bit smaller. Let's try these 63 gig ones. So the first one here, 63.51. So again, ready, steady. Actually, it's going to say play. So let's click on that. So 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, let's just do resume. Okay, so, but we can see the Shield started playing that one more or less straight away. I can now try forward these a bit. Let's click on that. Okay, forwarding. I mean, I can tell you that forwarding on the Shield just seems to be very responsive. I mean, just bringing up the menu and navigating to the forward 15 seconds, it just seems to be infinitely more responsive on the Shield versus the On 4K Pro. I mean, Obviously, you can expect that based on the power of the Shield versus what we have in the On 4K Pro. But both are playing the stream absolutely fine. Let's see if I can forward it into the middle of the movie. So if I go down into the seek bar. Okay, so forward. Let's put that in there. Okay, so in less than 2-3 seconds, that catches up and it starts playing. Let's try that with the on device. So forward. Forwarding. Okay, let go. Yeah, I mean, maybe you could say it's 2-3 seconds slower, but it does catch up and it is able to play that. And both are playing absolutely fine. And this was a 60 gig stream, I believe. So let's go back. Yeah, 63 gig, absolutely fine. And let's just do one more test. Keep going down. Let's do something a bit smaller. So here we have a 27 gig stream, 4K. Let's click on play. Let's do these together. So ready, steady, go. And let's see now on a, let's do, okay, so start over. So ready, steady, go. So both devices, yeah, the Shield did actually start a split second quicker there, but can stream this content absolutely fine. That's working great. But it does seem like once the movie actually starts playing and you want to move around, it does seem to be a little bit more responsive on the Nvidia Shield versus the On 4K Pro. But in terms of playback, both these are playing the content absolutely fine without any issues. So I know somebody was asking this question in one of the comments in one of my last videos, that if they're interested in high quality, high bitrate streaming, can the device, the On 4K Pro, actually handle that content? And I would say, based on what I've seen today, as long as you've got RD, it can handle that absolutely fine. I wouldn't say it's light years ahead of what we can see on the Nvidia Shield Pro. I would say for a device that costs $50, is actually performing really well trying to stream this third-party content. So that's pretty much this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. This video was just a quick one based on one of the questions I had in my last video. Somebody wanted to know about the performance. Lots of you do use these devices to access third-party streaming content, and the person was wondering that for a device that costs $50, can it actually handle these high quality, large size, heavy bitrate movies? And as I've demonstrated today, I believe the answer is yes. And do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about these streaming tests, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.